Morning guys. So we're here at Camp Kapinpin, Nay. So time trial tayo ngayon for Phoenix Kids Duathlon Leg 1 for 2026. So yan ang ating participant. My son, Brent. We will be joining Phoenix Kids Duathlon. Second time ito ni Brent mag-join. First niya nag-join noong last October 2025. Join the advanced duathlon category. Nag-second siya. So hopefully makuha natin ngayon yung hopefully so papapraktisan namin ito. So today is January 10, 2026. So the leg 2 will be on February 28. We have barely 6 weeks for the event. So I'm personally coaching my son for this event. So say hi, boy.
Hi. Hi guys.
So
Hi guys.
anong feeling mo, boy? Are you excited for the leg 1 for the
excited.
Phoenix Kids
Super
Duathlon?
excited.
Motivated siya guys na hopefully makapag-podium ulit for the start of the year. So let's go. So the bike 5 kilometers bike and 1.5 kilometer run. Yan yung ita-time trial natin ngayon kung anong time ni Brent for this time trial 6 weeks before the event. Okay, so let's start. Ready ka na, boy?
Yes.
Kapag warm up ka na?
Opo.
Sige, hindi ko pa siya nakita nag-warm up sa kanya. Legs. You do the in the gate. Yeah, boy. Wave ka, boys, camera. Yeah. Siguro mga 6 months pa kaming ganito band. So, let's start the time trial. So doon siya manggaling sa AS. Bye. Ano boy? Ilang kilometers? Good job boy, good job. Boy. Trial for Phoenix Kid Duathlon, leg 1. Done.
Time. Bye.